My name is Brian Levy. I'm the CEO of the XChanger Companies, and we're here today at one of our installs of Stanley Engineering, south of Baltimore, Maryland. The XChanger technology, the beauty of it is its simplicity. It is a ductwork add-on. It's able to effectively redirect air at a moment's notice, unlimited amounts of times a day, in any sort of installation you can think of, from residential to small commercial to high-rise to industrial.
The XChanger came about due to inadequacies in the way HVAC has been operating for years. The delivery of air, traditionally, in an industrial space, is done from up above. So what will happen is that you'll have your supplies and your returns on the ceiling delivered from these rooftop units. The inefficiencies there is that you have energy stored at the ceiling and you have great differences in temperature down on the floor. Well, you have your people, you have your workers, your entire workforce and the equipment on the floor that are either freezing or oftentimes cooking, depending on the season. We identified that problem in both residential and commercial, as well as industrial spaces, and the XChanger came about as a way to remedy those challenges.
The installation process was not strenuous at all. It was very easy and straightforward. It has lowered our energy cost where we have installed it. It's bringing much cooler air to the point of delivery, therefore making our energy cost at those points much lower than they are in the rest of the shop where we have not installed these units.
So now why don't we take a look at one of our residential installations. So this is a standard install here. The idea behind this is that it has a baffle inside that is going to change back and forth depending on the sequencing, depending on what the motor dictates. When it does, it'll decide whether we're supplying high or supplying low. But there's really no magic to it. It is the most simplistic technology that you'll ever see with this type of effectiveness. You can get into savings depending on the application. You can get into savings of anywhere from 20 to 40+%. Things that affect that are going to be number of fenestrations in the house, windows and doors, wall thicknesses, ceiling heights. Is it an 8-foot, 9-foot, 10-foot ceiling? Are there grand foyers? Are there vaulted ceilings? Are there trade ceilings? All those things affect it. The installation works just is the same, but the more volume, the greater the savings, the more it's amplified. So if you're interested in saving money and maximizing your energy usage in either your home or your office, please feel free to contact us at thexchangercompanies.com. That's XChanger Companies.com. Thank you.